Today we are going to discussing about the minimum specific speed of a centrifugal pump. So if the pressure rise in the impeller is more than or equal to manometric head, that is capital HM, the centrifugal pump will start delivering water. Yes, first of all, if the pressure rise in the impeller, that means HP more than or equal to manometric head, that is HM, the centrifugal pump will start delivering water. So in this case, forced vertex means water will rotating inside the impeller. That kind of motion is called as vertex. The centrifugal had due to pressure rise in the impeller. Now we can write the equation omega square r2 square by 2z minus omega square r1 square by 2z, that equal to where omega r2 equal to tangential velocity of impeller at outlet, that is denoted as u2. Omega r1 square equal to omega r1 equal to tangential velocity of impeller at inlet, that is denoted as u1. Therefore the head due to pressure rise in the impeller, that equal to u2 square by 2z minus u1 square by 2z. For minimum speed we must have u2 square by 2z minus u1 square by 2z, that equal to hm. This is equation number 1. We know that manometric efficiency eta MAN equal to GHM by VW to U2. So coming to the next step, therefore HM equal to eta MAN into VW to U2 by G. This is equation number 2. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. So we get u2 square by 2z, equation 2 in equation 1, u square by 2z minus u1 square by 2z equal to eta MAN into VW to U2 by G. VW to U2 by G. So we know that the tangential velocity u1 equal to pi d1n by 60, u2 equal to pi d2n by 60. This is equation number 3. So these two tangential velocities substituting above equation. So 1 by 2z u2 square means pi d2n by 60 whole square minus 1 by 2z u1 means pi d1n by 60, that equal to eta MAN into VW to U2 by G, VW to G, U2 means pi d2n by 60, pi d2n by 60. So divided with pi n g into 60, we get equation pi n d2 square by 120 minus pi n d1 square by 120, that equal to 8 IMAN into pi n d60 cancel, so 8 IMAN into VW2 into D2, VW2 into D2. So coming to the next step, pi n by 120 d2 square, pi n by 120 count d2 square minus d1 square, that equal to remaining 8 IMAN into VW2 into D2. So in this concept we have find out the n. So therefore n equal to 120 into 8 IMAN into VW2 into D2 by remaining pi d2 square minus d1 square. This is the final equation for the minimum specific speed. Thank you.